How to fix Instagram bio mention not working. So if you want to fix your Instagram bio mention is not working, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After having the internet connection, you need to open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, you need to go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, and go with the bio or go with edit profile. Under edit profile, you will have the bio section. You'll be able to add the bio, right? Or you'll be able to mention someone on your bio. But if you don't have that option, or if you're not being able to add someone, then you just need to simply go with your Play Store, and from the Play Store you can go with search, and under search you need to search for Instagram, and if you have any updates you need to go and update your application. As you can see that I have an update, so you need to go and update your Instagram. After updating, your problem might be fixed. Or if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go back, tap and hold on to your Instagram application, go with app info, scroll down, go with permissions, make sure that you allow all of the permissions, go with storage and cache, and go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. Now once you've done this, you need to restart your device. After restarting, you can open up your Instagram again and go with your profile, go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and here you will have an option of tags and mentions. So scroll down and then find that option, and under that you need to go with allow tags from everyone and allow mentions from everyone. Make sure that is also selected, and you can go back and you'll be able to bio mention someone on your bio. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.